It's Thailand Week 2026 here in Cebu, and today we're gonna check out some of the many Thai um, products that's available for Cebuanos. So, for example, this one here, they have a lot of pad Thai and cooking. Here they have honey vinegar. They have honey vinegar here. They have rice chips. So some chicheria. We have rice chips. Two for 100 rice chips. So 55, or you could have the granola, some delicious granola that you don't usually see in the malls. And you have fruits over here. Yep, yep. Lychees, freeze-dried fruits from lychee, coconut, durian, mangosteen. Uh, so they have that. They even have um, pillows, latex pillows, and this one they have wood cookware. They have wooden spatulas, mortar and pestle. They have soaps. Diba? There's so many things. This is only 4 days, guys, and let's explore more. This is organized by the Department of International Trade Promotion, Ministry of Commerce, Thailand. Diba? And a lot of sampling as well. This one they have pre-taste for some wafers, a lot of wafers. Uh, There are fruits. Mm. Mm. Yep. Doña Elena tuna. They have fruits over here. Of course, you have rice. If you want Thai rice, they're selling Thai rice over here. Do you like mogo mogo? Nasa sampling just like last time. Kana na lang kung sinaan mo na kuptin. Kau ni bahala. Kato na lang Thai tea latte na lang kani. Awa pa din na naabrihan. So nasa like sampling diri. Oh, lami ko na ice coffee pero Thai tea na ako na ingon eh. Oh. Ikaw bahala eh. Tilaw na ta. Sige, ato na yung tilawan unya. Cappuccino ko no, lami ni ha. Yeah. Pero wa mo nag-selling no. Sample ma'am. Yeah, di ba. Yeah, there we have Crystal Repackaging who offers mga sauces from sriracha to different kinds of sauces for your cooking. Tamarind sauce. Kaning Hinrich lingaw ni kay puro mga daghan ni tamarind sa ilang produkto diri mga Bangkok tamarind. So kung nangita mo ani, you can always look for these girls diri sa booth, but they also sell kaning mga toothpaste, herbal shield, ito na shampoo. Olive oil, nice. But over here is more products from chewy fruit to crackers to noodles. Diba? So naani dire, if you love mga bin rice crackers, granola, naasa ni sila dire. So over here kato mga dagko kay pamaliton. Here at Team Enter, they have Team Plus Salad. It's like, I love their fish. They have their crispy sliced gourami fish. Oh yeah, yes, yeah, from Thailand. Different flavors you can even try, and it's only 109. What is your favorite flavor? Your favorite flavor?
This
That one. Okay. Salted egg. That one. You can try it also. Oh.
this one ready to eat.
Ready to eat fish, huh?
Just take it off, put it in the oven.
Wow, so
Enjoy.
fried fish, huh? Oh, nice. Yeah, you can check out their booth also. But over here, have more products. This one, you have more ginger chips. There are mga gurami, ginger chips. So it's healthy and crunchy. And this one, Sweet Bee Farm, has fruits. There's bananas, tamarind. Yeah, check out this. Also, this one, they have a lot of sauces from tom yum paste, pad thai sauce, so many, curry sauce. So if you love cooking Thai dishes, he can help you to make it easier. And of course, here we have jewelries. If you love fashion, they have silver. Oh, diba? Silver jewelry. You can look for mom. And this guy sells, freeze-dried, vacuum freeze-dried fruits, especially durian and seaweed with soy and durian chips. Oh, and this one specialized in squid or fish. So it's fish. So it's like fish chips. Fish snacks is here in this booth. So over on the other side, we gotta go. If you love herbal, nasal inhalers, this one. You look for this girl, number 27, Royal Natural Company Limited. So they have inhalers,
We have the
ointments,
850 taste of tea.
bombs, and more. Oh,
100%
diba?
total good.
So at booth 28, we have special tom yum and green curry sauces and more jewelry from J Company. Okay. Yeah, jewelry. And if you love noodles, number 30, Liang Tong Rice Vermicelli Company sells noodles, different kinds of noodles. Diba? Wow. And this one also, STW, sells Thai handmade crispy rice. And of course, this one, some snacks, diba? Different flavors, diba? Hello. So yeah, you can even sample them later. Yeah, but yeah, I'm just previewing. So this one, more jewelry here, jewelries. Mhm. And more, there are more cosmetic products. We have cosmetic products, sauces, snacks. Uh, so if you want to be beautiful, they also have this low lane, diba? Beauty products. And if you want to run a spa, here's Sabay Home Spa with, Thai herbal balms and some interesting products like this one. And at lot number 48, we have more. Yes, hello, more. It's smells so good here. Yeah.
And this one inhaler.
Inhalers. They're selling inhalers too. So look for number 48. Diba? They even have hair products for me. Yeah, but yeah, later I'll be back. Yeah, this is for hair products, inhalers, and they have even have essential oils.
Sour gel.
So if you want to smell good, look for number 40. Look for him. Yes. And number 49 are more beauty products. Diba? Anti-melasma, hair care, immune boosters, right? Look for her, number 49. So dermatological solutions, huh? Yeah, good. So for your scars, for your, yeah, yeah.
Skincare product to solve every problem.
They even have aloe vera, huh?
Yes.
For your hair. Oh, nice. Very nice. Good. Yeah. So if you want to love your skin or yourself, check out number 49. Alright, thank you. And this is perfume cream from Snow Girl. Here, number 50. Look for him. Yeah, he'll be waiting for you. And and number 52 is more on beauty shortlist award. So it's more on what's this? Aroma, huh? Yes. If you wanna smell good or you want your room to smell really awesome, check them out. Number 52, Frihona Company Limited, and more here. There are more products for women and their shoes. Diba? Manadi. Oh, hey. So shoes. So if you love shoes or sandals, they have it here. You can customize it. Different colors. Sandals. Number 40. API Product Company Limited. And more jewelry here. Slippers even. They sell slippers and footwear. Number 37, the Nanyang Marketing Limited.
Sepak takraw po yung yung mga
Oh.
Nanyang shoes.
Nanyang shoes,
Opo.
di ba? Mauna, pang
Most of gumagamit po yung mga
sepak takraw
player.
athletes. Oh, okay, ito. Yes. Ah. So yeah, if you're looking for an athlete that you play sepak takraw, just come here, the Nanyang Marketing Limited, di ba? Ah, nice. Thank you. So yes, the Thailand Week 2026, March 12 to 15 here at Ayala Center, Cebu. So, visit, try their food, buy, diba? Buy rice, noodles, jewelry, beauty products, fragrances, and many, many more. So try it out. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Oh, yeah, watch my coverage on the grand opening. And look at Divine is shopping now. Diba? Nabudol na. And I'm pretty sure mabudol sa ko. So thank you so much for watching. So, Atika.